In this lesson, students will be able to compare two fractions with like denominators using models and reason about their size. They will be able to record the results using greater than, less than, or equal to symbols. Prior to this lesson, students have had practice comparing fractions with the same denominators and creating their own rule to reason about the sizes of the fractions. Students need to learn reasoning about the size of each fraction as they compare them. When we place the 4 red rods with the brown rod that represents one whole, we notice it takes 4 rods to make the whole. To compare 1/4 and 3/4, I need only 1 red rod, or 1 out of 4 red rods, and 3 red rods, or 3 out of 4 red rods. I will keep the brown rod to represent the whole. Notice that the denominators for the two fractions are fourths. When the denominators are the same, we will compare the numerators. The numerator for 1/4 is 1, and the numerator for 3/4 is 3. Look at the models. The 3/4 model has more red pieces and is greater than 1 red rod, so 3/4 is greater than 1/4. Let's try another one. We will compare 3/6 and 5/6. I will use 2 blue rods to represent the whole. It takes 6 light green rods to model the whole, so my denominator is going to be 6. 3 green rods, or 3 out of the 6 green rods, represents 3/6. 5 green rods, or 5 out of the 6 green rods, represents 5/6. Notice the 3 green rods is less than the 5 green rods. Remember that when the denominators are the same, we only need to look at and compare the numerators. 3 is less than 5. Therefore, 3/6 is less than 5/6. As students learn to compare fractions with the same denominator, they will come to know that looking at the numerators and comparing them will help them reason about the size of the fractions. In this lesson, we were able to compare two fractions with like denominators using models and reason about their size. We compared the numerators by counting the number of rods. We recorded the results using greater than, less than, or equal to symbols.